If you're looking to add those last bits of carbon fiber pieces to the interior of your C8 Corvette, then this video is for you. So thanks for tuning in, guys. So today we're going to be looking at the carbon fiber cover that you can get for the back side of your nav screen on the interior of the C8 Corvette. It's this piece right here, actually. It's honestly one of those pieces that you're not going to really see on your day-to-day driving because, you know, it's on the opposite side of your nav screen. But this is a great detailed type piece if you're taking your car to car shows and such. So it's a really, really nice piece in that regards, especially if you're trying to add a whole bunch of different carbon fiber on your Corvette. So this piece comes from Extreme online store and it actually retails for $180, which is not too bad of a price compared to other competitors out there on the market. It is a little bit on the higher end of the price in regards to other carbon fiber pieces that you could put in the interior that you'll see every day kind of deal. So I like to think of this as one of those last detail type pieces that you're gonna really enjoy, especially if you take your car to car shows and such. And it does make a good kind of small gift that you can give to that Corvette person in your life as well. Now it does come with 3M taping already installed on the back on here. So all you have to do with this piece is simple. You just clean the area behind your nav screen, peel off the backing for this tape, put it on there and you're done. It's really, really easy to do and it takes not even 2 minutes to do. Now, one thing I will say about this piece is that this is a prime example of something that could use ceramic coating. The reason I say that is because it's sitting right under the windshield where it has direct sunlight hitting it a majority of the time. And this will help prevent premature yellowing from happening on your carbon fiber piece. So definitely would recommend trying to ceramic coat this. If you're looking for a ceramic coat to work on this, I like to use Adams Graphene ceramic coating. I'm not sponsored by them, but it's just a one that works really well for me. So yeah, let's get this little piece installed on the C8 Corvette and show you how it looks on the car. So alright guys, so we have finished installing this carbon fiber cover that goes on the back side of your nav screen and it looks pretty good. It's one of those special pieces that if you're looking for those added last bits of detail of carbon fiber on the interior of your C8 Corvette, it looks really, really good. Definitely something that you'll notice at your car shows and stuff like that when you're either a spectator walking by and seeing it, or if you're actually at a car show that's being judged. It's one of those little bits here and there that kind of add up to make a really good show car. So I definitely recommend this little piece. It's really, really nice and definitely sets the car apart. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other product review videos and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.